Morning thoughts, morning thoughts, morning thoughts. Welcome to SouFLoTV, everybody. Morning thoughts up this morning. Let me start out this morning thoughts by saying, I'm just a babe. Send out some good vibes, some positive energy, some peace and love kind of thing. Watch me, no joke thing, peace and love, positive energies. Watch this. Let me start out by talking about Massacre changes. Somebody sent it, come give me yesterday when it dropped, and it had like probably about 1,000 views on it. Right now it has 96,000, almost 100,000 views on it, so the youth are going good. Here's my prediction for Massacre. Now, we saw Massacre at Best of the Best, right? Alright. Was he good?
No.
Alright. See? People, when we do these reviews, the artists them that are going to end up being good, here's my prediction. Massacre is going to run dancehall music. Yeah. He might come run dancehall music. May I say it?
You'll kick enough people off of the high horse.
Yeah. Because, here, you know why? Here is why. Alkaline did it too. Here is why. When them get beaten for what they're not doing right, they actually listen and they go back and perfect their craft. Right? So, you know some Massacre book again for this year?
Best of the Best?
Best of the Best?
No,
I was at Best of the Best. This is the year before me go with you. Alkaline perform at Best of the Best. Right? Actually, it was the last year Lady Saw perform at Best of the Best. Is the first year and the only year Alkaline perform at Best of the Best. Now, I'm saying to myself, Mavado is on Best of the Best this year. Mavado, Alkaline, and Jamil form some kind of a team, right? So I wouldn't be surprised if when Mavado come out, he bring out Alkaline as a surprise guest. But he's not booked for Best of the Best. I'm going to tell you quickly what happened with Alkaline first. A Massacre me I talk about, you know, make sure y'all go check out Changes. Go to Massacre Vivo. A lot of people have the artists them stuff all over YouTube. And I've explained already why they do it like that. But go to the artist Vivo channel.
Yeah. If
you really want to support the artist, go directly to their channel. Check this out. When Massacre performed, when Alkaline performed at Best of the Best, Foota Hype, I don't think Foota Hype and Alkaline can ever be friends. Because hear what Foota Hype did. They were arguing at the time. Because Alkaline had a song out where in a line them said, me know something or Batman Foota Hype. I forgot what song it was. I'm sure my audience are going to tell me. But anyway, him sabotage the man thing. And Alkaline came out there right after Foota Hype took the mic off. Foota Hype was the host DJ of the event that year. And Foota Hype said to the crowd right before Alkaline come out, want to hear some Cartel? The crowd reel up and say, yeah, them want to hear some Cartel. Knowing that Alkaline is about to come out right now. Him go and spin off one Cartel song, the crowd go wild. Then him asks, who do you think better, Cartel or Alkaline? And the crowd, you can literally hear the crowd freeze first. See the crowd freeze first. Because everybody, and I was way in the back. And the crowd, all me hear, people are saying, that you tell me say I make blows and skirt joke. And you see when Alkaline come out, the amount of boo them, I have never heard an artist catch so much boo. So it's no surprise that Alkaline never get a rerun. And right now Alkaline craft up. He's a way different artist. And him take enough backlash. Remember, people used to say him can't perform live and all these things? Alright. Well, same thing we're applying to Massacre. Go and see Massacre Changes. Listen to it. It's song Bad. Changes in life. Jump on a plane if me like. Mommy not fret, she alright. We are talk about changes in life. Watch out. The youth up him thing right now. We walk out last year. Cause Massacre look like him come on for Best of the Best last year and drop asleep on the stage.
Or high.
Or he was too high.
Or he drink too much alcohol or something.
Something was off.
Something was definitely
Something was off. Cause him sound like him was a DJ to himself. Basically. Or the two people in the front row. I don't know. But he wasn't no elocution was there. Him never sent out him sound. Him did offbeat. Him sound like he was grumbling to himself and then shouting, then grumbling. I don't know. But anyway, it wasn't good. So this year, it's going to be very interesting to see. Very interesting to see. I think one of the years that Mavao is supposed to show up and him never show up. He was a no-show. And this year he's there again. Last year. And
that's
this year.
why we walked out, because we were there how long waiting on no Mavao, and we just left.
So this year he's on the lineup again. Let's see. But Massacre, I go come run dancehall. That is my prediction. The youth are going bad. And it just changes right now. He might drop a string of song, him work ethic up. And y'all know, right? Vybz Kartel endorsed him. And I said this about Vybz Kartel before too. That him have an ear and an eye for a hit song and a talented artist that can go the distance. Look on Javinci. Javinci still out there doing thing. Black Rhino still out there doing thing. And I could see a reunion coming. All of the people them when put out there, majority of them, Popcorn, come on now. Popcorn gone on a whole nother level. And Vybz Kartel did say Popcorn are going to come run it. And right now, none of them know about Popcorn. Not one. They haven't reached Popcorn status yet. We in Jamaica don't want to give Popcorn in props. Right? But Popcorn has shelled down the world. Has shelled down the world globally. So, yeah man, I think Massacre come take that seat there next. I come take that space there next. So, with that, this morning thoughts are going to be about a couple of things. We can't leave without talking about the speeding in Jamaica. And I'm talking about people speeding and crashing and killing off themselves. The white girl there did this up Jamaica and talk about how we're broken, we have nothing. They have nothing and they live in mud huts.
And we live in shacks.
They live in shacks and they go home to nothing. That's why we're jealous of the people in the resort. And she could feel the hate. The white girl there, one of the things she said that was true was, she said they drive like mad people down there. It's like they have no rules. Very true. Very true. And as much as she said a bunch of things when me want to bun her out for, you have to take the truth out of all the other stuff she said. And true. Foreigners come down, they come see it. We Jamaicans know it. Last time I was down there, it was the same thing. Me keep on to tell this story when the youth jump in the car, and I'll never forget him said to him, brethren, alright, no say nothing. Fast and Furious, my boss. I mean, I think say Fast and Furious because the man just watched the movie Fast and Furious. And when the man took off in the helicopter car, I was like, on this, the road not even, a country road, you know. Country road not even have 2 lanes, you know, like, you know how the road have a white line? What's say you over here, so me over there. So country road them don't have 2 lanes. Just the road. So you have to drive with caution and know say, okay, I'm supposed to be over here. And leave enough space for your vehicle to pass over there. This youth gone on the road like him up on a NASCAR racetrack. And I've seen it. And not only him, enough people. I see some overtaking in Jamaica upon blind corners. And I'm like, damn, a head-on collision is coming. So recently we've had a string of accidents. The most 3 recent ones. People sent me them this morning. And this is the reason why we want to get the Patreon channel up. Because I've already registered for the Patreon channel. I've already got everything going. I just got to figure out how to upload the content. And it's taking some time. But once we figure that out, we'll be able to show all these videos. But let me describe it. The video what them sent come give me this morning from Trelawney, some of the people them burn up the inside of the vehicle. One man head gone, and they must say, yo, I'm head that up in the back part of the car with a back seat there, you know. Like, and the next, them show a picture of, not a picture, a video. Somebody video it and send it, come give me the body. I'm sure y'all seen it on WhatsApp.
Social media.
The body laid out in the front seat. Look like it don't have no head on it, but the body just burnt. Right? So I guess female head lick off. The car is totally mashed up. There's no way your car get that mashed up unless you're going about 90 miles an hour and hit head on.
God.
Now, Mandela Highway.
That's another one.
Yeah, Mandela Highway. You see the girl, our foot bottom, I touch her head back. So you know, say everything broke up and bust up, right?
She curled up.
and I do these graphic descriptions verbally, but what I really want to do is show the pictures and the videos, because I think that's a bigger deterrent. Now, a lot of people are going to say, a lot of people on your channel aren't even in Jamaica, SouFlo, so it don't make no sense to do them video there. Enough people on our channel are in Jamaica.
Yeah.
It's not like one time where we are say, yo, most of the people that cater to our channels, they're overseas. Enough Jamaicans in Jamaica on the ground or go Jamaica a lot. They're on the channel, so them can see it and them can spread the word.
Yeah.
And if them never see the video, them can get the video and show it to somebody. Yo, dog, you see a video here? That's why I need to slow down. Look how she mash up. Look how him mash up. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, that's what I try to just raise some awareness. Them I say, Jamaicans are so religious, majority of them. And, I mean, superstitiously religious. Now, Mandela Highway, them I try to say now the highway is cursed.
Oh, so.
Because of the amount of people that has died on that highway, they're saying that the highway is cursed. I know the highway is cursed.
Or the human being, them act like them are idiot.
Thank you. The idiot people them will drive on the highway and kill off them one another. Bill, you're here.
What do you mean?
No, me didn't want to play nice.
Alright, so.
Yeah, wait, alright, what me that say?
The highway curse.
I'll be getting distracted by her here, yo.
Alright, so.
Me like playing that. Yeah, they're saying that the highway, Mandela Highway, is cursed. It's not cursed. It's the people, the idiot people that are driving on it full speed. You know what they're going to say about us? We're not used to nothing good. Because if we get some road we're full of pothole, where we can't speed pan because it's mash up your vehicle, then less people die. But as soon as them pave off the road, them and make the road them nice like foreign, people go kill off themselves on the road. So, we need to govern our thing better than that. You know what I'm saying? Govern our thing better than that, Jamaica. And stop with the speeding. I don't want to make this video too long. I was going to talk some more about natural versus unnatural ways of living. Because yesterday I got to the grocery store and there was a lesbian chick where checked me out at the grocery store. She was checking out my grocery. And right away I could tell who her lover was, because every man that come through, the girl that on her job, you know, and every man that come through, if you see her counterpart or her other half or her partner look like so she want to fight